I'm back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking shows. Amazing guys to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. It is a beautiful Sunday, wonderful Sunday, and a lot of people like to have something totally different on a Sunday. And now I'm going to do similar recipe like this, but sometimes when I'm doing my recipe, and now I'm going to twist it and give you something else on it to show you, say, you know what I mean. Anyway, today's recipe, we're going to make a special, it's like a vegan or vegetarian dish. We're going to be using brown rice. Brown rice is healthy and it's good for you. We're going to do a Callaloo dish because sometimes, you know what I mean, we can just cut off of the meat and have something totally different. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo and stay tuned. Guys, so basically I got a medium sized front pan on the stove right here. As you can see, I'm gonna just put on a little bit more heat on it. Medium sized front pan, and we got a tin of Callaloo drain. We got some munch bean, we got the mixed pepper, red onion, spring onion, tomato, garlic, and also carrot. It's a must on the menu. Alright, so the first thing is to put this pot on the stove, let it dry, and just to make sure no water is not in the front pan here, using a medium sized pan. So what we're going to do is pop some olive oil inside of the front pan like this. Alright, roughly about a tablespoon of olive oil. And the first thing is to get the carrot. And cut the carrot into half like this, remove the skin. Once you cut up the carrot, by now the oil is supposed to be getting hot. Pop it straight inside of it like this, because we all know that the carrot will take a little time to cook. Alright? So that's the first thing what you want to do. And next I have a clove of garlic. Just crush the garlic. And put it straight inside of the frying pan like that. And just mix it with the garlic. Start to smell that beautiful scent. Second thing, red pepper. And also yellow pepper. Green pepper. I was just using a piece of the pepper. Red onion is a must. One medium-sized tomato. In the meantime, give this a stir. We're going to cut up a spring onion. So what I'm going to do, I have a few munch bean, which I'm going to put inside of it. That's looking lovely. Little bit of cracked pepper. Next, I'm going to use the Jamaican Bonnie vegan season. Alright, just gonna put a little pinch of Jamaican Bonnie vegan season. And I'll have some, this one is some vegetable season. Put a little bit of the vegetable season. Smell lovely. If it smells so lovely, it must taste lovely. Now what we're going to do is just get the callaloo, put it straight in it like this. I love this kind of recipe, guys, and I'm always doing this kind of recipe, but sometimes and now I'm gonna twist it. This is some munch bean. You don't have to put the munch bean, but I just love munch bean. I may just cut up a few more, put in it. That's gonna bring in a lovely color to it also. So we just want this to simmer and set now. That's looking good. Look at that. Amazing. Vegan and vegetarian dish. Amazing dish, guys, honestly. Look at that. This looking so lovely. In the meantime, I cook some brown rice. And I want to share it out. Right now, this is the best rice you could ever have. Brown rice. Very good for healthy for you guys. And what I'm gonna do is shear up the brown rice. Not only that, I put some coconut in the brown rice, so it just bringing a lovely flavor to it. That's looking lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So, see, this is finished. I'm gonna shear it out. Now I'll make you guys see. Let's turn off the stove because it doesn't take long to cook. And as you can see, that is beautiful. Look at that. Alright, let's shear it out. Nice and lovely, guys. So I just shear it out and that's the way it looks. So lovely and nice. And this is a very, very, very healthy recipe, guys. Brown rice with callaloo and green bean and some salad at the side. It's just amazing. Anyway, I want you guys to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned and watch good recipe. I will see you next time. Bye bye.